Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and turn off lens cleaning hint on iOS 26. So if you recently updated your iPhone to iOS 26 beta, and when you use your camera, it regularly asks you to clean your lens, and you want to basically turn that off. Maybe you want to turn it back on. Then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up settings. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find camera. Now here, go ahead and scroll down all the way and find lens cleaning hints. So as you can see, it's turned on right now. So if you don't want to see the lens cleaning hints, go ahead and turn this feature off. So this will basically display a suggestion when camera lens should be cleaned to improve the image quality. When you turn it off, it won't show you any suggestions. If you want to see suggestions, turn it back on. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on and turn off lens cleaning hint on iOS 26.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.